Here we have a 70 plate Land Rover Defender First Edition. Now this vehicle comes with £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have the Defender logo written on one of the spokes. We have the silver exterior paintwork, the urban body kit, including the light bar at the top, which if you press this button just here on the remote, they will turn on or off. We have the LED headlights, the urban lettering across the bonnet. We also have the utility style grid on the bonnet along with the 110 decals. We have the black arches. We also have the second alloy wheel just here with the air suspension. The vehicle is currently on the lowest settings but can get raised higher. We have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Black roof rails up top along with the panoramic glass sunroof, which is currently open, with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We also have 360-degree cameras. We have the urban spare wheel cover. We also have the Land Rover mud flaps just down there. We have the Defender First Edition badging on the tailgate. If we open up the boot just like so, then you find we have plenty of space back here for whatever you may need to use it for. We also have the seats as well, as this vehicle is a 7-seater. You can fold up the seats that are inside of the boot if you need to use them. We have a plug socket just underneath here. We also have the climate control as well for the rear passengers. We have the buttons down here for the tow rail and also the air suspension. We have the Defender just written across there as well. Now if we just close that up and then walk back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back or the middle row, you'll find we have the leather interior, we have the fixed ISO points, plenty of space back here. We also again have the climate control down there for the rear passengers. We also have the brushed metal door handles, nice utility style on the doors along with the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, again we'll have the same leather interior, and both the front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they're also both heated as well. As you can see, the memory functions, we have the electric mirrors which have the blind spot assist. We also have the electric windows which are locked for the rear. Premium Meridian sound system. We have the multifunctional steering wheel which is electrically adjustable and it's also heated. So if you take a seat inside, just close the door, you can see on the dashboard, just there we have the digital dashboard. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. So as you can see on the digital dashboard, we are free from any warning lights other than about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. Now we can change the view of the dashboard using this side of the steering wheel. So as you can see, we currently have the driver assist, but we can also change it. So if we go into info panel, you can see we can have the sat nav navigation. For example, if we just go back, you can see we have the sat nav just there on the dashboard. We also have the lane assist, we have the speed limiter and the cruise control, the heated steering wheel. If you just press that button, it will turn on. Automatic wipers and the automatic lights. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, again with the sat nav. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So if you put the car into reverse, then you find we have the 360 cameras just here. As you can see, we can flick through each one. We also have the 3D view just like so. We have the off-road camera as well, so if you just go onto the off-road, put the car into drive, press this button just here, you should be able to get a view of underneath the vehicle. Once it loads, as you can see, we have the view now underneath the vehicle, which is perfect for off-roading. We also have the towing camera just there, but let's put the car back into park. We also have plenty of other options just here. So we have the media just here, where you find we have the radio. We also have the Bluetooth, we have the Bluetooth audio just there as well. We have the phone connectivity. We also have all these other options as well. So we have the 4x4 information, as this vehicle is very capable of off-roading. We have the weight setting as well. We also have all the different drive modes. We have the vehicle dimensions just there. We have the seats, so if you click onto these seats, you'll find we have the heated seats for the front passenger and driver. Further down, you find we have the climate control once more just down there. If you press it onto this is where you'll change the different drive modes. As you can see, plenty of drive modes which you can flick through just there. Also appears on the dashboard as you flick through all the different drive modes. We have the climate control, of course, the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the air suspension just here, so we're currently on the lowest setting. Press this setting and you'll see it goes back to the normal height. Press it again and it'll go onto the off-road, or you can go back down to the access height, which is the lowest. So further down you find we have the Type-C and the standard USB port. We have the 12-volt connectivity, storage space underneath there, and also cup holders. Inside of the armrest you find we have the fridge just there, which does get very nice and cool. But you can close that off just like so. We have the mirror just here, so if we flick onto there you find we have the camera for the rear view. We have the panoramic glass sunroof, which you can press that button and it will close just like so, along with the blind as well. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.